Hello, Miss. My TV memories. When my friends, neighborhoods, we were watch TV show Dragon Ball. We were favorite TV show. It started watch 1999. I was 8 years old. My friends too. We were meeting in the living room in my house. I remember the walls were the color white and cows the color brown and all TV was black and big. Um, I like it the island from the Master Roshi and the beach, palm tree, and camel house, and the mountain pound. Goku was born there. Uh, we were a lot of characters. I liked the character Vegeta. He was a great fight. It was 20 years old, and like Goku was the character mayor. He was very funny. Uh, I think I think the Dragon Ball was TV show popular because the character funny and very strong. We were having the watch Dragon Ball from Monday to Friday at 5 p.m. I still remember it. Thank you.